If you want to stop Amazon from automatically renewing your subscriptions, follow these simple steps to manage your settings effectively. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the Amazon website and log in using your email and password. Make sure you are accessing the account where the subscriptions are active. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, hover over the Accounts and Lists option at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Access your memberships and subscriptions. In the account settings, look for your memberships and subscriptions section. Click on it to view all active subscriptions linked to your account. Step 4. Manage subscription settings. Find the subscription you wish to cancel or stop auto renewal for. Click on the subscription to open its details and look for an option to manage settings or cancel the subscription. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation or to turn off auto renewal. Make sure to read any confirmation messages to ensure the changes have been successfully applied. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your Amazon subscriptions and prevent unwanted auto renewals.